Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Halloween video using Meta AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can go to this website, meta.ai, and then you're going to sign in with your Instagram account or maybe your Facebook account. Okay, and after that you can create any video that you want using AI. And for today's tutorial, I'm going to create Halloween video, and then you can select new chat here and you can describe the video that you want to create. And for the prompt guys, I have already asked ChatGPT to create a prompt for me, so I'm going to paste the prompt here and we can send the prompt to AI and the AI will generate the videos for us. Okay, and it's still loading guys. For the prompt, it's up to you. You just need to describe the video that you want to create, and there will be some videos, and then we can use one of them or you can download them all. Okay, the videos are being generated. Okay, done. And then I'm going to select one of them. Going to choose this one guys. Okay, and if you want to download the video, you can click on this download icon and then the video will be saved to your device and you will be able to post it on your social media such as Instagram or Facebook. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create Halloween video using Meta AI. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.